Hey, how's it going guys, and welcome back. My name is James Pena, where we learn tips and subtleties on basic sleight of hand. Today we're going to be going over the Elmsley Count. Last week I taught the top change, or last video I taught the top change, so it should be a little easier for you to do the Elmsley Count today. This is also known as the ghost count, but I believe everyone calls it the Elmsley. Without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. To start today's video, we are going to need a deck of cards. Today we're going to be using Flourish by Art of Play, designed by Column 5. Again, I know, very pink, but they're pretty nice playing cards. And they handle pretty well, too, surprisingly. Here's the back. I actually personally got these from the Play Capsule, the store that's located in San Diego. But you could also get these on artofplay.com. And I'll leave a little video on exactly what the webpage looks like. Again, here's the sides. When you open it up, it's got little oven mitts. And here's what the playing cards look like. It says delicious donut and pie charts. I don't know if this is like an actual ratio or whatever, but pretty cool. They're actually a one-way design, if you can tell. But your spectators won't know that, so definitely helps you out as the magician. Here's what the jokers look like. Not identical, but pretty nice either way. Put these off to the side. Here is just, I guess, kind of definitions. Flourishing. I guess Column 5, the ones who made them. And I guess they left their website. They can go check them out, which I think I might go check out. Just a little ad card from Art of Play. And now the aces. All right. Actually, because we're going to use this for the Elmsley Count, but let me show you the quick. I've used these before, so sorry, they're shuffled, but there's the face cards, and that's pretty much it. All the face cards pretty much look the same, and obviously the cards are custom too. But let's get into today's video of the Elmsley Count. The Elmsley Count, what is it? It's basically to hide the card in the third position. Now, third position doesn't necessarily mean third card. Let's pretend I grab these bad boys and put them in here. So anything in between the second and fourth playing card is essentially the third position. I don't know if that's the actual terminology. It's just kind of just something I made up, to be honest, because it works. Right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 playing cards in the third position, right? And if I wanted to hide the cards in the third position, that's exactly what it would look like. A little sloppy because I don't really practice it that much, but that's exactly what it would look like. But not that advanced. Once you learn this, I'm pretty sure you'd be able to do that. It's not that impressive, so don't be impressed by it. To hide the card in the third position. Again, quick, just so you can see how it looks. That's exactly what it looks like. I'll talk about speed and rhythm, but let's learn how to do this first. So as you can tell, after you do the Elmsley, the card always comes back here. Just remember that. Once the card's in the third position, these are the steps. You want to kind of hold it like this, right? A little higher, right? My normal grip is like this, but you want to hold it a little bit higher, just a tad bit. From here, you want to make sure the deck is square. All right, from here, I kind of just put my thumb here, and then I kick out just a little bit. Now, I'm going to try to see if I can show you this, but I leave my index finger there, right? So when I kick this out, those 3 playing cards stay there. Well, maybe better from this point of view. So from here, as I kick out, you see how my index finger is right on those playing cards, so they don't move. Because I want them to stay flush the entire time. So kick out. Once you kick this out, grab it with this finger, or with these 2 fingers. This is all you need for the Elmsley Count. You don't need any more fingers than that. Once you're here, you want to take this card. It's just one card. All right. And as you take this card, you want to rub your thumb against that last card. All right? Rub it against the last card. And it makes a double. So once you've made that double, it could be sloppy. It's okay. It's okay if it's like that. It's totally fine. Don't stress too much about that. So make that double. Then try to align the first card with this last card because you are going to grab it. Do the best you can. That's about as much as I can go, all right, without forcing it. And you don't have to force it because you'll see here in a bit, once I take this double right here, right, once I push, as I'm pushing with my thumb, my index finger naturally pulls this card in. See? See how I pushed it? It kind of squared up with this card. So now I'm successfully hiding that card. Then you finish counting off. 3, 4. Do this one more time. You're going to push, get a double, align. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. All right. Take that double, it aligns itself. 3, 4. So it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like you have 4 normal playing cards, even though you are hiding that one. One more time. Push, grab, double, align, grab, then count as normal. A lot of steps, I know, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy. Pretty cool actually how it works too. I'm always mesmerized by how this works, even though I know exactly how it works. It's just a cool little fun move. It's just amazing that you can hide cards like that. Again, you can go ahead and try more cards if you'd like. Once you think you've mastered it, just grab, I think like a total of 4. Is that 4 playing cards in there? Yeah, that's it. Just add like 4 in there and just see what you can do if you can hide it. Just see if you can. I'm sure you could though. And that's pretty much it. That is the Elmsley Count. So let's move ahead to the outro. That's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the Elmsley Count, or again, known as the Ghost Count. Sorry for not really teaching a trick along with it. There's just so many tutorials on what you can do with the Elmsley Count. Twisting the aces is a very popular one with the Elmsley Count, but I know there's many other uses of that, and I would love for you guys to kind of explore those opportunities. That way you're not really just stuck with twisting the aces, even though it's a really good trick, I'm not gonna lie. So if you liked today's video, please leave a like. If you like the content that I'm delivering, then go ahead, please subscribe. If there's anything that you want to see on the next video, if there's anything that you think I need to be more in depth with, then please go ahead and leave it in the comments. I would love all the criticism in the world. It only makes us better, right? But besides that, I will see you in next video. So until then, peace.